Lawmakers in the House of Representatives gathering in plenary as they resume from their annual recess. And with the arrival of the Speaker and the rest of the principal officers, plenary commences. As expected, the Speaker welcomes the lawmakers back and also comments on several developments in the country that occurred while the National Assembly was on recess. He applauds news of Nigeria's exit from recession.
We must caution, however, that the implementation of policies and hard work necessary to sustain a sound and productive economy, which the National Assembly highlighted in the resolution sent to the President earlier, should be continued with even greater vigor.
The agitation from the southeastern part of the country and calls for restructuring from different parts of the country is a major focus of the Speaker.
Anyone or group who assaults our Constitution will not find a partner here, because our oath of office repels it. But those who stand for justice, fairness, and equity will have partners in us, because our oath of office compels it. All the arguments about restructuring are, at the end of the day, legislative issues. It may be necessary in due course for the National Assembly to have a second look at the issues that have been thrown up.
The majority leader of the House immediately follows this speech with a motion that calls for a committee to be set up to meet with different groups across the country and for the House to revisit the issue of devolution of powers in the interest of the unity of Nigeria.
Convinced that this is the time for the House of Representatives, who hold brief for their teeming constituents, to drop partisan politics, ethnic and religious interests and biases, and speak in one voice to save our country from disintegration.
The motion is then put to a vote.
Those in favor of the motion say aye. Aye. Those against it say nay. The ayes have it.
A committee, which is to be chaired by the Deputy Speaker of the House, is immediately set up. The committee is expected to submit its report to the House in 8 weeks. Lanre Lasese, Channels Television News.